Welcome to my channel. Wavlink Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender Setup and Review. Power on the extender. Connect the extender to the PO injector and power adapter, then plug it into a power outlet. Wait until the LED light turns on. Connect to Wavlink Wi-Fi network. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop and connect to the default network like Wavlink 4X or Repeater 4X. Open Setup page. Open a web browser and type 192.168.10.1 or wifi.wavlink.com in the address bar. Log in to the Setup panel. Enter the default login credentials: username, admin, password, admin. Select Setup mode. Choose the working mode: repeater mode, extend existing Wi-Fi. AP mode, use Ethernet from router. Select your main Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan available networks. Select your home router Wi-Fi from the list. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type the password of your main Wi-Fi network so the extender can connect. Create extended Wi-Fi name. Set a new Wi-Fi name like home Wi-Fi_X so you can identify the extended network easily. Save settings and reboot. Click Apply, save and wait 1 to 2 minutes while the extender restarts. Connect to the extended network. Go to Wi-Fi settings again and connect to your new extended Wi-Fi network. Now your coverage area will be larger. Helpful tips: checkmark install the extender halfway between the router and weak signal area. Checkmark keep the device above ground level or on a wall, pole for better signal.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.